Hi guys. So I want to explain to you what we're going to ask you to do today. So what we're going to do is we want you to open up the PowerPoint and you can read through the task. It's to find a three-digit number to subtract from 425 so that you would only use regrouping from the hundreds to the tens place. On this first slide, what I want you to do is work with your partner and come up with an answer. And then you're going to go up to slideshow. And I want you to select to record the slideshow, and you're going to record it from the current slide. And so you can see my screen, okay? My popped up in the bottom corner, okay? You're going to kind of work with your partner and think about how you would explain how you chose the numbers that you chose to subtract to kind of force the regrouping that's described in the problem. When you feel like you have a good explanation that you could use to kind of explain that logic to somebody, what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the top and you're going to hit record. You'll see it give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then it's going to be recording you. So it's going to be recording your thoughts, and you can come down to the bottom, you can pick some colors and say, oh, I picked this number because, and I want you to kind of talk through your thinking there with your partner. Then you're going to hit stop for that slide. We're going to go to the next slide, and the following slide is similar, same problem, only this time what you're going to be talking about and giving us some feedback on is what do you think would be a common error students would make on this problem. So on this slide, you're going to, again, record both you and your partner. We're going to record you guys talking about what do you think a common mistake would be and why. And so you may draw on the screen again. I think a common mistake that students would make is, and they would put their answer down here. And so you're going to record yourself when you're done on the slide. You're going to hit stop, okay? And then if you want to go and replay what's happening, you can see hitting replay, okay? You can rewatch your slide. So I hope that gives you a little bit more information about what we're asking you to do. It does not have to be perfect. You don't need to take 8,000 versions of this to kind of get it right. We're just looking for your thoughts and for you and your partner to kind of explain your thinking. Okay, good luck.